first word, let there be light. Darkness flee when Jah reveal his might. He stretch out the heavens like a royal tent, set stars in place, a divine event. Genesis tell we how the earth was formed. By his own breath the oceans were born. No idol can claim this work so grand. It's the Most High's touch upon every land. God make everything, people, can't you see the proof? How can you diss the one who shaped all creation? Him set the foundation, rock solid and sure. From the highest hill to the deepest sea, every breath you take is his melody. Lift your hands, give praise and sing, for the maker of the world is the eternal King. Mountains rise where his voice commands, rivers flow by the power of his hand. Every beast and bird, every mighty chord, all creation move at the sound of his word. Lightning flash and the thunder roll, nature bow to the King we behold. It's the same today and forevermore. God make everything, people, can't you see the sign? How can you fight the one who draw the first line? Him set the foundation, eternal and divine. From the dawning day to the starry night, his glory shine with the blazing light. Every nation, every tongue proclaim, bless the Most High, honor his name. When the breeze are blowing, the storm clouds form. Remember who fashioned each mighty storm. He caused the wind from the east to blow, part the Red Sea, let his children go. From the desert sand to the cedar tall, his fingerprints rest upon them all. No man can halt what Jah ordained. His glory eternal, his power reign. God make everything, people, feel the wind obey. How can you diss the one who guides the seas and bay? Him set the foundation, night and brightest day. Let the thunder clap and the rainfall drum, still his voice is the loudest one. Every heartbeat echo his plan. Praise the Creator, the Holy One. Sunrise greet and the seasons turn, lessons of life from his wisdom learn. He feed the sparrow, clothe the field, under his wings our spirits healed. From the highest peak to the ocean floor, the mighty rule forevermore. Give him praise with the righteous heart, for from his hands all blessings start. God make everything, people, lift your voice and sing. How can you diss the one, the mighty King of kings? Him set the foundation, source of everything. From the roots of time to eternity, his love endure, his power free. Let the whole wide world unite and say, blessed be Jah forever and a day. Lift your eyes to the sky so wide, feel the Spirit as the winds collide. As it was in the days of old, his story of power forever told. God make everything, people, hearts in one accord. How can you diss the one, creation's mighty Lord? Him set the foundation, forever adored. Every drumbeat call, every soul respond, for the earth is his and to him we belong. Sing it louder, let your praises rise.